Hebrews 5, verse 11 till 14. There is much we have to say about this matter, but it's hard to explain to you because you are so slow to understand. There has been enough time for you to be teachers, yet you still need somebody to teach you the first lessons of God's message. Instead of eating solid food, you still have to drink milk. Anyone who has to drink milk is still a child, without any experience in the matter of right and wrong. Solid food, on the other hand, is for adults who, through practice, are able to distinguish between good and evil. Now, my understanding from this is that so many of us are saying that we are believers of faith, and yet we are abandoning our faith just to fit into culture. We do not practice the law of God because we want to fit into culture. We still want people to teach us about God's law. Meanwhile, God has been teaching us, and yet some of you guys are just not willing to take those teachings and put them into practice so that you can be adults in faith. We abandon our faith every single time culture comes up and shows us something that wants us to fit in, even though you know that by law it is wrong. There's so much happening in the world today because people have abandoned their faith and they want to be infants in Christ. When are you going to grow up and be an adult and have the ability to distinguish between what is good and evil?